Hi there! In this video, let's discuss the most important details of how to improve your communication skills. So, how do you improve your communication skills? The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to focus on your writing. Now, how do you focus on your writing? Begin writing everything that you want to say. Then, I want you to aim to write at least 100 sentences about yourself. And then, write about your present situation, write about your past experience, write about your future plans. And then after you write down everything you want to say, after writing about yourself, after writing about your situation, experience, and future plans, I want you to check your writing for grammar errors. So you have your writing, it's all laid out, and then just check. So how do you check for grammar errors? Read your writing aloud and listen for pronunciation errors as well. If you look at the sentence, it's easy to find the grammar errors if it's on paper compared to trying to find grammar errors in your mind. So read your writing aloud, like put your thoughts on paper and then read your writing aloud. Next, I want you to listen for pronunciation errors. If you are saying something that doesn't sound very well or you're not confident with how you sound, just check. Go through your writing one word at a time. And then after you've corrected the pronunciation of each word, try reading one sentence at a time. And then see if you can improve how you sound. One of the tips that I can give you is just go get your phone and then just use a basic recorder app and then record yourself, record your speech, and listen to how you sound. And then pay attention, listen for your pronunciation, keep correcting and adjusting until you are happy with your speech. Just keep doing it. Just repeat. Just find the problems, fix it, and repeat until you are 100% happy with how you sound. Okay, what's next? The last thing that I want to share is you can ask people for help. There are people who have better communication skills. They can read your writing and then point out the grammar errors. They can listen to your speech, listen to how you sound, and point out pronunciation problems and potentially grammar problems as well. So that's one of the benefits of having another person point out your errors. Now, everything I've told you might sound like a lot of steps or a lot of trouble, but improving your communication skills is a tedious process. However, I noticed that my income has increased as I became clearer at communicating. So my income has increased as I became clearer at communicating. So I believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. And I'm praying for your success. God bless, and thanks so much for watching my video. Bye-bye.